Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app and select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on those three dots at the top right corner right away. Following that, click on Settings and adjust those two options, like File Format. If you wish to start your recording, click on this red button. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo bookmark, on the right one. Now take a photo and discard it by choosing X, or save it by tapping on the check mark. Finally, to end and save your recording, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Then name it and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully recorded. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, just hold it. Click on Delete at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!